Hello everyone, my name is Demir Arslan and I am an electrical engineering student in Bilkent University first year. Today I will be demonstrating my PHYS101 lab project, which is an experiment conducted on the basic principles of circular motion. The aim of my experiment is to measure the change in some properties of the motion such as velocity, the angular frequency, and the period of rotation when I change the mass of an already rotating object by adding mass onto it. The items I need for this project are a scale to measure my weights. Here's a 20 gram weight, which I found out by measuring that. Here's a 10 gram weight, and here's a 5 gram weight, which I will be using to rotate. I have a ruler to measure the diameter of this turntable, and I have this turntable system which I can reduce the friction of by this little pedal. When I press this and I turn this, it has a counter for the frequency and it reduces the friction, which is of great use to me. That's all. To start on my project, on my experiments, I first put my weights into a radius that I measured before. Then I press the pedal to make the friction negligible, and then I give a little initial velocity to measure the counts per second, which gives me the frequency with a few equations. Here, as you can see, it's this much of a counts per second. Then I will be putting my other weights on top. Notice how the counts per second drops.